The most beautiful places to visit in France. If you love bubbles, you can't miss the Champagne region in northeast France. Watch the sun set over the rolling vineyards and take a tour of prestigious champagne houses like Moet and Amp, Chandon, and Dom Pérignon. Every summer, Provence becomes a fragrant paradise with its endless lavender fields. Visit the Valensole Plateau or the Luberon Valley for the most scenic spots. Don't miss the Notre-Dame de Senonque Abbey, surrounded by beautiful lavender fields. For a taste of the Grand Canyon, head to the Gorges du Verdon in southeastern France. This 700-meter-deep limestone canyon is the largest in Europe. 700-meter-deep canyon. Cruise along the turquoise waters or try whitewater rafting for an adrenaline rush. Perched on a rocky island off the coast of Normandy, Mont Saint-Michel is a medieval abbey straight out of a fairy tale. Explore the narrow streets and timber-framed houses that lead up to the abbey. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most popular places to visit in France. Nature lovers will be in awe of the Dune du Pilat, Europe's tallest sand dune. Climb the wooden steps to the top and enjoy the breathtaking 360-degree views of the Atlantic Ocean and pine forests. Paragliding and camping are popular activities here. If you're looking for luxury, Saint-Tropez is the place to be. This coastal resort on the French Riviera is famous for its designer boutiques, sandy beaches, and celebrity sightings. Explore the 6 quaint villages on the Saint-Tropez Peninsula for a taste of the town's original charm. Perched on a limestone cliff in the Dordogne region, Rocamadour is a majestic hilltop village. Visit the Chapel of Notre Dame and climb the 216 steps for stunning views of the village and the Alzou Canyon. Don't miss the nearby Gouffre de Padirac, an extraordinary underground network of caves. 71%. As known as the Garden of France, the Loire Valley is home to 300 elaborate chateaux. Explore the stunning Château of Chambord, the unique Château de Chenonceau, and the fairy-tale-like Château de Sully-sur-Loire. Don't forget to sample the world-class wines from the local vineyards. In the heart of central France, the Auvergne Volcanoes Regional Nature Park is a relic of the prehistoric age. Explore the largest volcanic ensemble in Europe and marvel at the untouched landscapes. It's a land that time forgot. This digital travel platform offers information, trip planning, and travel insurance.